Coinbase is one of the most popular and trusted platforms for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. The site offers a wide range of features designed to simplify crypto trading and investing. The first step when you visit Coinbase is creating your account, which only takes a few minutes. Once signed in, you'll find an intuitive dashboard displaying the most popular cryptocurrencies and their real-time market prices. To begin trading, navigate to the Buy and Sell section. Here, you can purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, or many other supported cryptocurrencies using a linked bank account or credit card. Coinbase ensures secure transactions by implementing robust encryption and two-factor authentication. Another standout feature of Coinbase is staking, where you can earn rewards on your holdings of select cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana. The platform also provides a seamless wallet feature, enabling users to store their assets securely and access them anytime. Coinbase Pro, an advanced trading tool offered by the platform, caters to those seeking more detailed charts, trading pairs, and lower fees. Throughout the platform, you'll notice an emphasis on ease of use and security, making it a go-to choice for anyone starting their crypto journey. Before we continue, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Coinbase also provides educational resources and tutorials, helping users to learn about blockchain technology, specific cryptocurrencies, and trading strategies. This makes Coinbase an excellent platform not just for trading, but for gaining valuable crypto knowledge. Don't forget to explore additional features like recurring buys, which allow you to automate investments, and the ability to send or receive crypto instantly. These tools ensure you can manage your crypto portfolio efficiently. Sign up now using the link in the description to receive your bonus and start your crypto journey today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, reviews, and crypto news. Like this video if it helped you.